How do you cross-examine a police officer on the HGN or eye test? My name is Benjamin Von Schuch. I'm a DUI lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. When the police talk about the HGN test or the eye test, what they always like to claim is how scientific it is, and that basically they try to draw the conclusion that if you didn't pass their test, that means you were too drunk to drive. Well, the important thing to question an officer on is, A, if they even know what HGN is. Oftentimes they can't even say nystagmus, and that's what HGN stands for, the horizontal gaze nystagmus. And the second thing to question on is what causes nystagmus. Alcohol does cause nystagmus, but so does many other things. Some people naturally will fail an HGN test without having any alcohol in it. Some things that cause HGN are fatigue, things as simple as aspirin and caffeine, being on a diet, or even having high blood pressure. Things that most people already have when they're pulled over. Other ways that you attack the HGN is you ask them if there are any other kind of nystagmus that people have, and there are many different kinds other than HGN. One of them is caused by alcohol. It's called PAN 1 and PAN 2. Question them on what that is and how that occurs to question their reliability of their results. Another thing that's important to do is to look at the procedure that they do the HGN test. It's a complicated test. It involves 14 passes. That's to take at least 82 seconds. They have to estimate lengths of time. They have to hold it for at least 4 seconds in some places. They have to estimate angles from your eye. So they're looking for a 45-degree angle. This is very tough to do on the side of the road, and sometimes it can be extremely inaccurate. When I question police about the procedures that they used, if there is any mistake in the procedure, then I always like to question them with their actual training manual. Now, in their training manual, there is a section that says if there is any element changed, then the validity is compromised. Now, what that means is that if they made any mistake whatsoever, if there's even a question of the mistake that they made, that their conclusion is incorrect and cannot be used. That is how you cross-examine a police officer on HGN, and you take away their argument that it's a scientific test and that you're automatically guilty if they find HGN. My name is Benjamin Von Schuch. If you've been arrested for a DUI, feel free to give me a call. I look forward to talking to you about your case and discussing how I can help you out. Thanks for watching.